Hello! I will show you how to make a felt puppet dog. The dog is a continuation of the ABC Quiet book series with the letter D. The dog can be put on the fingers and play all day. The set includes a detailed step-by-step tutorial and patterns, thanks to which the project is very simple. Let's start it. We will need felt, threads, scissors, vanishing markers, Velcro tape, snaps, snap button tool, hole punch, magnetic clasp, and wallpaper knife and cutting mat. Prepare patterns of the titles Dog Part 1 and 2 and cut them out. Place them on right felts, outline with vanishing marker and cut them out. You can make white circles using a hole punch. Choose the largest size. Place this pattern on soft and rough Velcro and cut them out. Place a head on ears in this place and sew only the drawn line using orange thread. I showed how to hide threads after sewing in another video. A link to it just appeared at the top of the screen. Place these patterns on ears and sew them using dark brown thread. Place this pattern in the center of the head so that the top of it extends 6 mm above the head. Sew it with dark brown thread. Place eyes in these places and sew them with black thread. Place white circles in the center of eyes and sew them using white thread. You can also embroider twinkles using white mulling. I showed how to do it in another video. A link to it just appeared at the top of the screen. Take this pattern again and make hole in the place of dot. Place it on head and mark dot in the place of hole. In the place of dot, put the rough Velcro and sew it with brown thread. Take this pattern again and make a hole in the place of dot. Place it on dark brown element and mark dot in the place of hole. Make hole in the place of dot using hole punch. Choose the smallest size. Prepare one pair of snaps with convex surface and snap button tool. Put the snap in the hole in the bottom and this snap on the top. Take snap button tool and press the ends of the snap button tool. Turn it over to the other side. Place this element on the top and sew this part with orange thread and this part with brown thread. At this point you have to deflect this fragment. Remember that the bottom thread is dark brown. Place this paper pattern on white element in this place and draw a smile shape using vanishing marker. Now you can draw a smile along the trace you drew with a red acrylic marker or embroider it using mulling. I showed how to do it in another video. The link to it just appeared at the top of the screen. Place black nose on white element here and sew it with black thread. Place soft velcro in the center of this dark brown pattern and sew it with brown thread. Turn it over to the other side. Place this element on the top and sew it with white thread. The bottom thread is dark brown. Prepare patterns of the titles Dog Part 3 and cut them out. Place them on right felts, outline with vanishing marker and cut them out. Put the orange element on a brown one in such way that paws protrude by 12 mm. Sew it along the drawn line using orange thread. Place white element on top and sew it with white thread. Take this pattern and make hole in a place of dot. Place it on tummy element and make dot in the place of hole. And now make hole in the place of dot using hole punch. Choose the smallest size. Prepare one pair of snaps with flat surface and snap button tool. Put the stab in the hole on the bottom and the snap on the top. Take snap button tool and press the ends. Now take this paper pattern and make hole in the place of dot. Place it on dark brown element and make dot in the place of hole. Prepare first pair of magnetic glass with flat surface. Take this element. Its hole should coincide with the dot drawn area. Put it here. Then draw lines in these places with vanishing marker. Cut the drawn places with a wallpaper knife. Take this piece from the magnetic clasp and insert the protruding parts into the holes made. Put on the ring in this way and bend the protruding parts outwards. Cover this place with this element and sew it with dark brown thread. The bottom thread is also dark brown. Place tail in this place. And on the top, put this element. Fasten tail with clips. And sew everything with brown thread on marked place from here to this point. The bottom thread is dark brown. Prepare patterns of the title base page part 1 and 2 and cut them out. Place them on right felts, outline with vanishing marker and cut them out. Place this paper pattern on base page and outline inner shape with vanishing marker. Place letter D on marked place and sew it with red thread. Don't forget the inner shape. Take this paper pattern again and make hole in the place of dot. Place it on base page and make dot in the place of hole. Prepare a second pair of magnetic clasps with convex surface. We will fasten it in the same way as last time. Now let's put the dog together. And attach it to the base page. And the dog page of ABC Quiet Book is ready. If you want to make other pages of ABC Quiet Book, click on this video. See you next time, bye bye!